Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add sports to your preferences on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page and tap on either the more button down below and then click on the edit button, and you can also tap on the settings button in the upper right corner and click on preferences, which is the first option. And after that you should scroll down to the my sports section, and if you would like to add more sports then those edit, tap on the plus icon down below, and here you can select from these sports. But you can also use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for new leagues and sports. So tap on the relevant ones that you would like to add as many as you would like to, and when you are done, all you have to do is tapping on this finish button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it and here all of your sports will be added to this section. If you would like to get rid of any of these, just tap on it and click on remove favorite, tap on unfavorite, and it will be removed from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.